start, go to the Text tab and click on Add a Heading. Type your text as needed and adjust the line spacing if necessary. Change the font and text size accordingly. Next, head to the Elements tab. Add a square shape to the page and change its color to red. Right-click on the shape and choose Send to Back to position it behind the text. Change the text color to white. Download this page as a PNG and upload it. Then, create a new page and add the uploaded design image to it. Use the BG remover to eliminate all white color. Click on Edit, navigate to Shadow Effects, and select Glow. In the Elements tab, search for Gold Glitter. Choose a suitable option and add it to the page. Adjust its size and position to cover all the text. Then send it to the back to place it behind the text frame. Fill the area outside the text frame with red. Download this page as a PNG with a transparent background and upload it. Add another new page. In the Elements tab, search for Black Gradient. Select an appropriate one and set it as the background. Add the design onto this page and use BG remover to eliminate the red color. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.